We are the organized kids. We're going to show you how to organize. This is called the slide away.
This is the slide away on the go.
And they're going to help you organize. This is the slide away by Creative QT, and it will help you organize. Here's a demonstration of what you can put in here. So you can put magnet tiles in here, which I'm doing right now. You put on put it on here. Now you can play and you can build anything you want. To fold it up, you grab these two corners, you lift them this way, so pull the edge up like this,
Put it in.
and now you pack it up.
How you go is you just put some stuff in. This is how you put your art stuff. Then you fold that. Then you stuff it in. Then you can do that. Then you're all finished, which is perfect for traveling.